Hey there, fellow drivers. Have you ever had that sinking feeling when you realize your car keys are nowhere to be found, and you don't have a spare? In 2025, with all the cutting-edge tech at our fingertips, it's still a common headache, but don't panic. We've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're diving into what to do if you've lost your car keys and have no backup. Let's get straight to it. First things first, stay calm and retrace your steps. Think about where you last had your keys, your pocket, bag, or maybe you left them at the office or a store. Double-check those spots before moving on. In 2025, many cars come with smart features, so if your vehicle is equipped with a connected app, pull out your smartphone. Most modern cars from brands like Tesla or Ford allow you to use an app for remote access or even temporary digital keys. Download or update your car's app and see if you can unlock your vehicle that way. It's a game changer. If the app doesn't work or your car isn't that advanced, it's time to call in the pros. Reach out to a certified locksmith. They're available 24/7 and can often create a new key on the spot using your vehicle's VIN number. Expect to pay around $100 to $300, depending on your car model. Alternatively, contact your dealership. They might have records of your key and can program a new one, though this could take a few hours or even a day. Now, let's talk about 2025 specific solutions. With advancements in AI and IoT, some cars now feature biometric access, like fingerprint or facial recognition, which could bypass the need for a physical key altogether. If your car has this, use your manufacturer's support line to activate it remotely. And remember, if you suspect theft, report it to the police immediately to protect yourself from potential vehicle theft or identity issues. To prevent this nightmare in the future, always keep a spare key in a safe place, like with a trusted friend or in a secure box at home. Consider upgrading to a key finder device that syncs with your phone via Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more life hacks. Drive safe out there.